And you also require machine can cut for 2 times. You can adjust by here. Okay, system parameter. You can see this is showing the cut off type. Now it's showing cut 2 times. When the touch screen shows cut 2 times, it means the zipper can be cut for 2 times. Okay, one time is here near the top stop, and other time, the second time is to cut here. Okay, because you require the distance between cutter and between the bottom stop is 30 cm. So if you cut here, totally 2 times. However, if you want to cut only 1 time, it's also okay. You just need to change the cut of time to 1 time only. Then machine will cut at this position only. You can adjust the distance. Okay, I mean the gapping. You can the cutting. You can adjust from different position by adjust the workcation stop to only this. Okay, you can adjust. Also, you can adjust the distance to the top stop by adjust the parameter here. If you found it's too close, you can enlarge the digits.